In this video, we show you how to activate push notifications. Bell's new push notifications are important to help you manage and keep up to date with your Bell account. To activate it, first launch the My Bell app and log in if prompted. Then tap the profile icon at the top right corner and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Push Notifications. Then tap Open Notification Settings and then Allow to engage all three selections. Or tap on an individual notification that best serves you. These notifications will keep you informed about many things, from billing to service changes to support, and, well, that's it. With Bell, it's that easy. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.